Hello student, today we will do statement type question of linear inequalities, second exercise. Question number 21 is very good question. I am reading question from NCERT book. What is the question? Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two unit test. Find the number if minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average at least 60 marks. So we have to find Ravi's third test marks so that its average will equal to greater equal to, at least means greater equal to 60. So let Ravi got x marks in third unit test, so its average will be 70 plus 75 plus x upon 3. Average, you know how we find sum of number upon number, so average is coming like this. Now he is obtained at least 60 marks. It means we will put this average greater equal to 60. It should be 60 or it may be greater than 60. So 70 plus 75 plus x upon 3 greater equal to 60. 145 plus x upon 3 greater equal to 60. Now 145 plus x greater equal to 180. Then x is coming 180 minus 145. So s greater equal to 35. It means Ravi should got at least 35 marks in third unit test. It may be 36, 37, 35, more than 35 it should be. Now what is question number 22? It's a very good question. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations each of 100. Sunita marks first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94, 95. Find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain the 5th examination to get grade A. It is of the same type. We have to find the marks of 5th examination of Sunita, and first 4 examination marks we already have given here. So let 5th examination marks be x. So average we will find sum upon number. 5 numbers are there with us, so this is coming. Now what will come? It when we are adding this, so it is coming 308 upon plus x upon 5. Then average must should at least 90, so same sign will come because at least word is here. So 368 plus x upon 5 is greater equal to 90. 368 plus x greater is equal to 450. Then x greater equal to 450 minus 368. So x greater than 82. All of you. Now question number 23. Question number 23 is very good question. Very good question it is. Find all the pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. We have to take two integers, both of which are less than 10. Let we have let x be the smaller of the two odd positive integers, so that other will be x plus 2 and x should less than 10, and their sum x plus 2, because we let these two integers, so their sum is greater equal to 11. It is given in question, all of you. 2x plus 2 greater than 11, so 2x greater than 9 will go this side. So x greater than 9 upon 2. Hence we can say that if one number is 5, then the other is 7, because their sum is greater than 11, 5 or 7. So it will be, if x is coming here when we are solving 4.5 greater than 4.5, so it will be 5. Here we have to write x greater than 4.5. so number which is integer which is greater than 4.5, that is 5. So if we are taking x 5, so x plus 2 will 7, and we are taking x 7, then x plus 2 will be 9. So thank you very much.